So I just found a pretty crazy skate spot on the side of the road. I'm gonna throw my shoes on. So I got my work boots on. And unfortunately, I really want to get a good ass clip on this thing, but I don't have anyone with me to hold the camera. But I do have a tripod. So probably what I'm gonna do is just set the phone up on the tripod at some kind of a good angle. All right, here's the dealio, Captain Gilio. I'm gonna bring a water. All right, surprise, surprise. The spot I'm talking about is under the bridge. I don't know if they're gonna change this. So, before I get the cops called on me, maybe off there, down here, off this would be sick. I could really get ignorant if I wanted to. Let me set up and figure it out. Give a little warm up. So many little bumps and waves on it. I think I got it. Getting a little tired. Hard work. I can pop one this time. All right, so yeah, there goes a little battle between me and a random obstacle. So the main reason for this video was because I'm starting the 75 hard challenge, which if you don't know what that is, that's 75 days straight, working out twice a day. One time has to be outside, reading 10 pages of any, non-fictional self-help or improvement book, whether that be entrepreneurial, mental health, whatever it is, spiritual, and no cigarettes, no alcohol, and sticking to a diet, whatever that diet is, whatever that meal plan is, for 75 days straight. If you don't stick to it, to all these things, you have to start your whole 75 days over again. So it could last for the rest of your life, which wouldn't be a bad thing. And I feel like I need this right now because I've kind of been lackadaisical with my, obviously I haven't been posting on YouTube. I just got over a pretty bad injury. My leg got infected. I was on antibiotics. Pretty crazy, so I'm ready to finally tackle the new year with some ferocity, whatever the fuck, velocity, whatever you want to call it. I'm ready to tackle this year. A little late, 15 days in, but whatever. So yeah, that's what this video is about. Now, what I'm doing is one of those workouts, since it has to be outside. I'm probably going to use skateboarding as that workout. It's a little fun, but what I'm also going to do is post on YouTube every single day for 75 days. So I'll probably continue that after that, but it's a bold move. So what I'm going to do, that means some content or quality of the content might get sacrificed because I'm kind of just going to run and gun and shoot with my phone and edit from my phone for a lot of videos. But some videos I'm still going to go all out and edit and put my all into it, sit there and different camera angles and shit like that. But you're gonna get a video every day. If I don't, that means I have to start the 75 days over, so you guys can hold me to that. But yeah, so this was the first video. I'm gonna go home, edit this. Yeah, all right, until next time, until tomorrow.